Should you do garage door repair work yourself? Garage door repair is an absolute necessity if you want to keep your home or car safe from potential intruders. Garage doors are an essential part of our homes and are generally quite expensive as well. The fact is that a defective garage door can cost hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars to repair. This type of damage could be prevented by following a few simple guidelines when maintaining your doors. One of the main benefits of having a service technician periodically come and service your garage is that this person will be able to tell you which parts are in need of replacement or maintenance. Garage door repair. If you do not maintain your doors, you will put yourself and those around you at great risk. In case of an emergency, the last thing you would want to do is try and repair the problem yourself. An emergency garage door repair service can help protect you and others from serious injury or even death. If your garage door has become faulty, you may not have much time to wait before someone becomes seriously injured or even dies because the repairs are too extensive for you to complete on your own. Even though it is very tempting to try to make repairs on your own, you should never attempt this without the proper tools and instructions. Attempting to repair these types of things can lead to permanent damage, injury, or the complete inability to open or close your garage doors. Most DIY activities carry the risk of causing more harm than good, so if you do not want to end up in an emergency room, leave the job to the professionals. You will also find that hiring a professional service will be considerably less expensive than trying to fix it yourself. One of the main benefits of hiring garage door repair service is safety. Your home is at risk when you try to repair things yourself. Trying to cut a corner and save a few bucks by doing the repair yourself can mean having the springs come loose and injuring somebody. It also means using potentially dangerous equipment which may not be properly insured. Finally, if you cut corners and do not put in the right tools, you run the risk of overworking the broken parts and damaging them further. If you are worried about doing the repair on your own but are not sure if you should, then simply call in a professional. Another benefit to hiring professional garage door repair companies is the quality of the work. The right tools, materials, and experience can mean saving a lot of money when you complete the work. However, if you use the wrong tools or get subpar materials, you may not be able to complete the repair work at all. Also, if you use low-quality materials, you run the risk of having the repair work go significantly over budget. You should be confident with the company that you choose so that you end up with the results you desire. If you are confident enough to tackle garage doors on your own, then the question of whether you should hire a professional is fairly simple. If you think you can complete the repair work quickly and effectively without any help, then you should seriously consider doing it on your own. The only caveat to this is that you should only consider repairing broken or malfunctioning parts on your own. If you cut corners when it comes to garage doors and hire someone to repair the issue for you, then you could end up spending more money than fixing the issue yourself. Of course, if you are like most people, you do not have the right tools or the right skills to fix your own garage door. In this case, hiring a professional is the way to go. By hiring a professional garage door repair company, you will get great results, be assured that you are using the right tools, and avoid spending too much money. Whether you hire a professional repair company or do the work yourself, there are some basic steps you can take in order to speed up the process of door repair. First of all, if you are going to attempt to make repairs to your own garage doors, you need to practice a little safety. For one thing, you will need to have all of the right tools in order to complete the task effectively. For another, you must use the right tools in such a way as to avoid any unnecessary injuries. Once you learn how to safely complete door repair work, you will be able to schedule the work around your schedule.